What's up guys, it's this guy back at it again for another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a polygon and a rosette spiral. So we're going to combine both the shapes and it's going to turn into an awesome spiral. So in this video, the new piece of code we're going to be doing is a for loop, and we're going to do a if or else statement. So yeah, let's get into the video. So the first thing you want to do, as usual, is write import turtle. Then I'm gonna write t space equal to turtle dot pen. Then we're going to do t dot speed, open close parentheses, 0, so we can finish it up real quick. Now we're going to do the background color, so turtle dot bg color is going to be black. Let's write black. Okay. This is basically the usual stuff we do in my video in the past few episodes, so you can copy and paste in if you want to finish it quickly. So yeah. So the next thing you want to do is write sides space equal to integer int open close parentheses turtle dot num input open that parentheses close a parentheses. Inside of those two parentheses you want to write number of sides. Now we want to write a comma, and we're going to do another set of quotes. Inside of the parentheses we're going to write how many sides in your spiral. We're going to put a question mark, and we're going to put a comma again, and we're going to do a preset of 5, so when we open it up it's going to be set to 5. Okay, so now I'm going to copy and paste the colors. We're going to do red, yellow, blue, green, purple, and orange. You can do whatever color you want, but yeah, I just copy and pasted this from our last video's colors. So now we can do for m in range open close parentheses. Inside of those parentheses we can write 5,75, and then we do a colon. Hit space, make sure it's indented because you don't want any indentation errors. So t dot left open close parentheses 360 slash sides space plus space 5. Okay, now we're going to do the width, t dot width open close parentheses m slash space another slash 25. Take that space out of the slashes. 25 plus 1. Okay, now we're gonna hit enter. We're gonna do t.pen up up, open close parentheses, leave it blank. You're gonna do t dot pen color so we can actually see the colors. Pen color, we're gonna do some parentheses, open and close them. We're gonna do a set of brackets. Inside of the parentheses, we're gonna do M percentage sides. So the percentage means M mod sides. So we can hit enter. And let's do the next set. So the next one is t dot forward, open close parentheses, M times 4. Okay. Now we can do t dot pen down, open close parentheses, and here comes our if or else statement and our for loop. We did a for loop here and we're going to do another for loop. So make sure you indent again because this is a nested loop. So yeah. So we're going to go back. So don't indent right here. Yeah, so just leave it. So if open close parentheses, M mod, which is %2, is equal to 0. So this is also a new thing we haven't used in any of the other videos. This is basically like our symbols in math, like greater than, equal to, less than or equal to. It's basically like that. So instead of 1 equal to, it's 2. And yeah, make sure you put a colon after the parentheses. And we can move on to line 15. So for n in range, open close parentheses, sides, colon, oh whoops, you're supposed to write the sides inside of it, colon, we're gonna do a space again, t dot circle, open close parentheses, m slash 3, t dot right, 360, well, open close parentheses, 360, divided by sides. Okay, we can hit enter and make sure you indent all the way back to the if so it lines up, because we're doing else. So else colon, so if that doesn't happen, you do the other thing. So we're basically assigning it a different thing to do. It's basically like Scratch. And for n in range, open close parentheses, sides, colon goes outside of everything. So t dot forward, open close parentheses, m, t dot right, open close parentheses, 360, sides. Okay, so now we just hit run and it's gonna ask us to save it, so I'm gonna name it and spiral polygon. Spiral .py. Okay, so now that we've saved it, it's gonna have a preset of 5. Let's hit 5. Okay. Wow, that's pretty cool. Yeah, that's really nice. This is one of the best spirals I've done. You can see the red go out. And like, it's a pretty cool gradient. Or not a gradient, like a, you know, wallpaper. It would be a good wallpaper. So let's run it again. And this time let's do 6 sides. That's pretty cool. You can play around with this and tweak it so it doesn't like overlap. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video if you liked it. And yeah, peace.